30분 안에 한 쪽이 꼭 구조를 다 따는 법은 없잖아. 이기고 지고 왔다 갔다 하다 보면 시간 내에 승부가 안 나는 팀이 분명 생길 거야. 말이 안 되잖아. 승부가 안 났는데.
Non, they're gonna eliminate them, like they did before.
팀 대결로 가게 될 거야.
I want to believe you, but I think that you're manipulating him.
나 저렇게 만들고 싶어?
He's playing too much with his feelings.
난 여기 오기 전에 주는 사람
Tell me that I'm wrong. Tell me that I'm wrong.
군인들이 시체들을 한 군데 모아서 태웠어. 그때 우리 할아버지, 할머니, 오빠까지 처음 본 건 우리 엄마였어. 엄마가 방바닥에 누워서 죽어있었어. 그 옆에 아버지란 인간이 칼을 들고 섰었고 그 다음으로 본 건 우리 아버지 시체. 그 옆에 칼을 들고 서있던 건 나였고.
Yes, you killed your dad.
그 인간 직업이 목사였어. 엄마를 때리고 나한테 그 짓을 하고 나면 항상 기도를 했어. 우리 죄를 사하였더래.
자, 잘하면 헐.
You're sure?
뭐라고 했지?
Is it an act or is it for real that you don't remember?
방금
I don't know anymore with you.
뭐라고 했냐고? 정말 우리 같이 이길 수 있어요? 나는 구조하는 너한테 그냥 줄게. 네가 나 죽였다는 죄책감 안 들게. 계획? 뭔데요? 그건 게임 상대가 누구냐에 따라 달라.
Give it to him. I want to be sure.
알아야 돼. 그 주머니 내가 가지고 다니게 안전하게 해줄게.
넌 여기서 돈 가지고 나가면 뭐 할 건데?
No,
생각해본
no,
적 없어.
no, no, no.
여기서 나가면 뭘 할지 생각을 못 해봤네. 같이 제주도는 안 해.
Jump. I'm sorry, but you know, jump to make the ground. It's gonna push yours. No? Salut! Yatta! Ah no! I have the wrong language. You didn't do that. You didn't do that.
헐. 정답.
We're not gonna lose. Ali is my favorite one.
자기라고 하셨잖아요.
Oh, Jude.
그랬어?
I'm sorry, I'm focused on Ali.
그
He's smart, he's scared.
우리도 그때
You're too nice, you're too sweet. Too pure for this world and for this game. I'm gonna hate you now, Sango. I'm sorry. He showed you.
이달 24일이 우리 아들 생일이거든. 작년 생일 때는 내가
It's the second time that he's talking about his kid, and you know my theory about him being one of the mastermind and maybe his son being the black mask guy, or this guy being one of the former winner. All of this theory. Checkmate.
구절 20개야. 당신들이 말하는 규칙은 어떤 게임을 하든 폭력을 쓰지 않고 상대방의 구실을 모두 따면 되는 것이. 난 아무런 폭력도 쓴 적이 없어.
Win this game, okay, but win it honestly. How could you do
저 벽에 가깝게 멈추는 쪽이 이기는 거야. 새벽이야.
Sabioko.
내 이름. 너는? 지역. 성. 없어? 그럼 와. 네가 먼저 해.
It's really.
그래도 네가 빠르잖아.
구슬이 다 없어졌네. 더 놀고 싶은데. 나
I'm sorry if I suspected you for doing that.
기르면은
죄송합니다.
Same, but not for the same reason.
구슬이 하나 있었네.
What?
남았어.
He got you. You're not gonna play. Not really.
내가 졌네. 너 뭐 하는 짓이냐고.
You have a family.
무조건 이기게 해준다는데?
People that you love and that you can love.
너 이런다고 내가 고마워할 줄 알지? 참좀 멋있게 좀 미치게 해줘라. 혼자 계속 꼼짝지 말고 다시 던지라고! 난 없어. 뭐? 너는 여기서 나갈 이유가 있지만 난 없어. 여기서 나가면 뭐랄까. 너가 물어보는 다음부터 좀 생각을 해봤거든? 아무리 생각해도 생각이 안 나. 이유가 있는 사람이 나가는 게 맞잖아. 그게 맞잖아. 너는 꼭 살아서 나가. 그래서 엄마도 만나고 동생도 찾고 제주도에 데리고 가.
Thank you so much.
형. 형 어디 있어? 형. 막 보고 왔어요.
아니.
형. 사과야.
How would you do that? Are you gonna check now? No. Not like that. Fuck you. I'm gonna hate you now. Couldn't you win? Honestly.
고마워. 나랑 같이 해줘서.
이슬이
What?
마누라랑 아들이랑 이 집에서 살았어. 마당에
The squares, the triangles.
정신 차리라고요. 정신 차리고 내 말 좀 들으라고.
It's truly is the creator of all of that, and it doesn't remember. You know?
어찌나 재밌게 놀는지.
No?
그 구슬 하나랑 이걸 다 얻으라고요? 그만 어쩌 어디 있어요?
He's losing his nerves right there. You're asking too much.
자네가 날 속이고 내 구슬을 가져간 건 말이 되고
You knew it. You played him. You sneaky grandpa. He knew what he was doing.
가져. 자네 거야. 아무새나 기억 안 나.
Oh, maybe I'm wrong. You're making me doubt.
까무기는 니꺼 내꺼가 없는 거야. 그동안 고마운
Oh, I'm so divided. It's so hard.
자네 덕분에 괜찮아.
You're keeping his.
나 이름이 생각났어. 일남이야. 오 일남.
No! We didn't see it! No! Grandpa is not dead. Grandpa is not dead. No, 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 no. You know my rule. Body count, eyes closed. No, 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 no. And I'm not just saying that because it's making me feel better with the fact that I'm suspecting him. It's not because of the fact that I would be so ashamed and sorry if I suspected him for nothing. Not at all. Maybe a little. I'm never gonna forget that. You know, Sanu doing that to Ali, I'm never gonna forget that. You killed my favorite character. And they were forced, I'm sorry for my position, you know, they were forced to play against each other, one of them has to die. We knew it since the beginning, you know, of this game, since they explained the rules. We knew that it was gonna happen, one of them was gonna die. We knew that we had the possibility of losing Ali. I would have accepted, you know, his death if it was really by playing a game, if it was really honest. But right now it was a betrayal. You played with his feelings, you manipulated him, you played with him because of how nice he was. With all of the memories, the little memories that you shared with him, like, I helped you so many times. You have to give that to me, like, first accusing him of cheating and after that playing with his feelings, manipulating him, lying to him, betraying him. The last thing that he had in mind dying Ali, it was the fact that he was dying because he was betrayed by his friend. What about his wife and his kid? It's so bad. It's so bad for how it happened. It's so bad for Ali because I truly loved that character. He was the nicest one. Maybe he was too nice for this game, in fact. He was too pure for this game. Not only this one, but also, you know, this big game. I'm sad and mad for Ali dying like that, for Ali being betrayed by Sun-woo because of Sun-woo betraying him. I'm gonna be so mad at him right now. And again, you're not gonna have to explain that to anyone. Like, no one is gonna know that you betrayed Ali. Like, no one knows that you didn't say to Ji-hoon about the game, knowing it. It's wrong, you know, because Sun-woo, he did some good things between the games and all. He was not bad, like... The grandpa, he didn't die. I'm sorry, but he didn't die. I'm sure that he didn't die. It was awful because during all of this scene, at the end, I was divided because a part of me was really like, he's not gonna die, we're not gonna see it dying. Like right there, see, during all of this time, he played Ji-hoon, acting like he was going crazy, but in fact he was not going crazy, and he planned since the beginning to do that at the end. Like, and the fact also that he was not going crazy, but he said all of that about his arm and all, it was almost like he wanted to say clues about the fact that he's one of the mastermind, I said it, or maybe more than that, he's the creator of all of that, and that's why he wanted to be into it, you know, like, But he has truly a brain tumor, and that's why he's giving his legacy to his son with the black mask, or to one of the former winners who embraced all of his ideas. I have that theory, you know it, go check my intro. So, during all of this scene, I had one part of me thinking all of that, and I had the other part of me being so sad and so sorry and ashamed because of the other part, you know, like really I was feeling ashamed, Sorry, it was the tissue break that you didn't see. I was so ashamed of suspecting him, of thinking all of that, of having that part of me still thinking that and still waiting to see if we were gonna see him dying or not. I was so ashamed of it, sorry for it, I was really divided. But now, no. I'm taking that almost as a confirmation of my theory, truly. You know my role with all of the shows that I'm watching, including right now The Walking Dead and a lot of people into The Walking Dead. You know my role. Body cold, eyes closed. If I don't see that, the person is not dead. That's a rule for Vikings, for Peaky Blinders, for The Expanse, for all of the shows that I'm watching on my channel. It's a rule. Body cold, eyes closed. If not, the person is not dead. No, he's not dead. I really think that he's one of the creators. Like right there, he created that platform, you know, like truly what his hometown was. The creator who is participating to the game because of this brain tumor and because he's gonna die soon and he's giving his legacy. It's almost a test also to test his descendants, his son or his descendant, you know, the one who is gonna take his place after that. My theories for all of these groups, like we have the candidates that are right there for the money prize, that are right there for money reasons and also because of their family, they are desperate and all. They're gonna win at the end as a group of 4 because the final game is gonna be the game that we saw at the beginning, that Grandpa told us at the beginning. That's my theory. So, yeah. Candidate group of 4 winning. These 4 winners, are they gonna really win a money prize? I don't know, but they're gonna come back for the new big game, but as masked guys, because you're blackmailing them of, you know, showing what you filmed or bad stuff that you have on them, and that's why they're coming back. Like the police guy brother was coming back even after that, disappearing for some days, you know, each year. They're coming back as masked guys, they are forced to be there also, they have to obey to rules also. That's why also they have these equal positions. The mastermind team, for now I can see Grandpa into it and that black mask guy, his son or a former winner who totally embraced what he said. And the VIPs, you know, that's my, you know, I have 4 groups right there and I have a group of the VIP team. I thought that it was the mastermind team, you know, I thought that they were the same, but no. But the VIPs, they built, you know, the passage right there with the bomb and all. So that's why I thought that there was a mastermind. Maybe I'm right still. Because the black mask guy, he talked with someone on the phone, like he was saying to that person, okay, the game is like that, we had some issues, but we resolved it. Like he was reporting the things to someone superior, you know, to him. But to that person, he didn't say, okay, you're gonna come back soon. Like, I think that this person, I'm putting that person into my mastermind team. That person, he said to that person, the VIPs are coming. He didn't say like, you are coming with your friends. Do you understand what I mean? Like, I have to separate in my mind the ones that I consider into the mastermind team and the ones that I consider into the VIP team. Like, can it be possible that these VIPs, it's truly, you know, people with privileges who are just coming to enjoy these games? Maybe some persons, they have fun watching that. This weird world could be possible. And with this show, which is denouncing a lot of things about our society, with all of these things about money, what you can do for money, how far can you go for money, humiliating yourself like that, you know, at first with the slaps and after that playing dead games and all. But also there are a lot of things about Korea, you know, north and south, but also discussions of the differences between, but the fact that right there, you know, that conversation between, I don't want to pronounce their names wrong, Sanbyok, I'm sorry. The two girls discussing together, it was really like, our girl, she said all of the awful stuff that she saw, that she lived, and it's truly awful, you know. But the other girl, when she responded to her what happened, you know, into her family and all, it was almost a writer saying like, you came into our world thinking that it would be better, but you saw that it was not better because you have also issues in our world, and also see in our country we can live awful stuff, like awful things, it's everywhere. It's not something that you can compare really what is happening in North Korea and what is happening in our societies, if I can say it like that. But it was to tell that our society is clearly not perfect and a lot of awful stuff can happen into it. This show is really criticizing, you know, our society, so that's why I won't be surprised if these VIPs, that are truly VIPs, you know, persons with privileges just coming to have fun watching people killing each other. And see, again, I said it, two first games, the masked guys were killing them. First game, they killed you through a game. You know, it was coming from the walls, you know. Second game, it was the masked guys who were killing you. Third game, you were killing each other as teams. Fourth game, you are not killing each other, but you are playing 1 versus 1, knowing that the other one is gonna die. At some point, are we gonna have a game with you really killing each other willingly, you know, like directly? I think that for the evolution of the games right there that they are doing, it can happen. So half of them were killed. I think that the crazy lady is still alive. They would have killed her just like that, you know, if she would have died. So half of them 20, with her 21. No. no, not at all. Oh, your mathematics. Half of them, half of 38, we have 19, with her 20. 20 and still 2 games. Okay, if I'm right, you know, about what I think the game that we saw at the beginning of the first episode being the last game, because it would be logical with the fact that they showed us it, because it would be logical with my theory about Grandpa being that one who told us that story and being the mastermind behind that, and also which could be logical with all of these symbols, they have to be there for a reason, so it would be logical to have that at the end, so we need 8 players. So it's okay, you know, like during the next game number 5, we need to lose 12 people. You know, the more I'm thinking about all of my series and the fact that I'm taking 10 minutes each time to resume you all of my series, I really think that we are not gonna have all of the answers during this season. Like, we have still 3 episodes to go with 2 games into it. We can't have all of the answers. We're gonna have a part of it. I really think that they're gonna give us a really big part of it. I think that the reveal about maybe the grandpa is gonna happen during these 3 episodes. Maybe the reveal about also Junho, you know, being into the place. Maybe we're gonna have something about Sang-woo, you know, he has to be discovered, all of what he did. I'm really not gonna forgive that. I'm sorry, I was really sad again. yes, we're gonna have some other reveals, maybe some things about the masked guys, why they are right there, how can it be possible and all. Maybe we're gonna have the solution of that. But I think that everything about who is behind that, all of the masterminds, all of the VIPs, things, maybe not during this season. If they want to create a new season, if they want really to do things with this show, we can't have all of the answers during the first season. I didn't check if we are gonna have a second season or not, to avoid spoilers, clearly. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right now. Just know that I'm gonna take that with me, you know, the fact that Ali died because he was betrayed, and that he was the nicest, the purest, and he didn't deserve to die like that, and it was awful, and I'm never gonna forget or forgive that. Just know that I'm taking that with me, and I'm gonna cry again editing this video. I know myself, I know that I'm gonna cry again editing it, because right there during the episode I was suspecting it, but I was like, no, he's not gonna do that, Sang-woo is not gonna do that. But now editing the video, I'm gonna be, he's gonna do it, he's gonna do it, that son of a bitch, he's gonna do it. I'm gonna hate him editing this video, that's gonna be awful. Oh, and remember that you have my Patreon if you want the extended reaction part of that scene, you know, when it's seen like that, I'm really putting all of the scene, I'm not cutting into it, so you can really enjoy the scene and my reactions to it. So if you want that scene, all of it, check the description, it's on my Patreon. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now, bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.